Number one, present simple tense. Number two, present continuous tense. Number three, present perfect. Number four, present perfect continuous tense. For example, structure: subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus rest of the sentence or object. For example, number one, she cooks biryani. Number two, she does not cook biryani. Number three, does she cook biryani? इसके four family members हैं. ये structure है. Subject लगेगा पहले she और फिर first form of verb cooks. Rest of the sentence or object. इसको object भी कहते हैं. ये positive, इसको positive भी कहा जाता है और affirmative भी. Number two, she does not cook biryani. जब does not लगता है तब यहाँ से s खत्म हो जाता है. ये negative है. Number three, does she cook biryani? क्या उसने बिरयानी बनाई? ये interrogative है.
Very good. Clapping for her.